Hello, this is Vicki from Rolling Harvest Food Rescue with another episode of What's Cooking. Today we are preparing a very easy cabbage apple slaw with our freshly harvested red and green cabbages. Start by removing the outer leaves. Cut the cabbage in half and remove that inner core. Then cut your cabbage in very thin slices. I like using both green and red cabbages for both texture and color. Now take your apples and cut them into matchsticks, and they can be either red or green apples. Shred your carrots. Slice your green onions into small pieces. Mix all of these ingredients together, and now it's time to make your dressing for the slaw. I like making dressings in glass jars. First, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, the juice of 1 lime, and a nice squirt of spicy brown mustard. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Shake it really well, and it's ready to be poured over your cabbage. Mix everything well and enjoy. If you do have any left over, it will store well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Thank you for joining my colleagues Edie Koznowski, Jill Kelly, and me, Vicki Sarnoff, for this episode of What's Cooking. Please check out our website at www.rollingharvest.org for more information about Rolling Harvest Food Rescue.